जो तुझको दे साइयां वह तेरा ही होए, छीना झपटी मत करो तो तुष्टि मुक्ति तोए। Dear Appa, every being has it written in the pages of his destiny whatever he is entitled to. To achieve it, however, one requires faith in Paramatma, determination, and well-meaning human effort. There should never be any fight or effort to grasp what is not yours. If you are content with your achievements and fruits of labor, consider yourself liberated from this world. तेरी बिगड़ी देखकर करुणा सद्गुरु होए, मत रोवे विश्वास रख डूबत तारे तोए. Dear Appa, bound by his actions, man continues to engage in his karma over many lifetimes. The body as well as the mind intellect that he is born with are also a result of his actions, which is karmas. Binding debts decide his family and relationships. He himself is not aware of his actions in his past lifetimes or their consequences. Hence, when he goes through joys and sorrows which are a result of his past actions, he gets disturbed. His pain, in turn, disturbs the Sadguru, and Sadguru takes the pain on himself. Sadguru blesses the seeker with courage and undertakes the responsibility of his seeker. Thus, because of his faith, the believer who had been drowning in his pain and misery till then now learns to swim to happiness, for Paramatma resides in unrelenting faith. चिंगारी गुरु ज्ञान की भव का ताप जलाए, नींद भरम को छोड़कर परम उजाला पाए. Dear Appa, under the guidance of Sadguru, the seeker gains insight and guidance for his journey within. Wisdom has the capacity to douse out the fire of ego and arrogance, and from the ashes emerges knowledge. Sadguru helps the seeker rid himself of ignorance, which is across lifetimes, and illusions, which is attachment with me, and move towards enlightenment. ज्ञान ललक लागे तुझे टूटत नाही तार, सद्गुरु छूटे देह तो साथ रहे भव पार. Dear Appa, when the seeker who has been looking for Sadguru across many lifetimes manages to finally discover him, he craves for Sadguru's guidance and starts on the journey to liberate himself from material bondages, which are otherwise very difficult to break. The grace of Sadguru is such that even after Sadguru leaves his body, he does not forsake his disciple but continues to be with him and guide him to enlightenment and realization. सद्गुरु जग में एक है, रूप अनेकानेक, शब्द अर्थ प्रकृति फिरे, मर्म तो एक ही एक. Dear Appa, Sadguru is one, though he may appear in different forms. Existing across past, present, and future, he lives in the present. The languages across the many forms of Sadguru may be different, the temperaments may be different, but the meaning remains the same. पागल चींथरा टोपली जन्मो जन्म उठाए, जग संपत्ति चींथरा, खोवत रोज रुलाए. Dear Appa, man has been searching for himself, his true identity, since many lifetimes. This world refers to a person who asks for his address in his own neighborhood as mad or insane. However, all the wealth accumulated by a man, bound by his karmas, is nothing more than the broken litter collected by a person not in his senses. Yet, man toils and spends his entire life doing the same. When contentment still eludes him, he breaks down. Spiritual wealth is the true wealth that is eternal, which even death cannot take away from the seeker. भाव भरा कीर्तन करे, भगत खिले संसार, हरि नाचे लटका करे, हृदय पारावार. Dear Appa, devotees often get carried away in their devotion and start dancing with their emotion. Sadguru too, due to his love and emotion for his seekers, starts dancing, and the world which watches this rare outpouring of emotion enjoys the bliss of the moment. हे मुमुक्षु, चलते रहो जहां क्षितिज की रेख, पथिक पंथ दोनों मिटे, अलख पुकारे देख. Dear Appa, Sadanand says that this world belongs to those who keep walking. Those who sit, sleep, or fall not only do not manage to attain realization, but also get ignored by the rest of the world. Hence, dear seeker, keep your faith and keep walking till you are ready to take leave of your physical body. Those who genuinely seek the divine do not return to this physical world but attain oneness with the divine, eternal light of the divine. पंच तत्व मालिक बने, हक घर का हथियाए, खाली सद्गुरु बर करे, शून्य शिखर हो जाए. Dear Appa, Sadanand says that this human body, made of the 5 realms of sky, air, fire, water, and earth, is mortal and a gift from Paramatma to all beings, as an instrument to correct the misdeeds of the past and perform good karma. However, man has forgotten the true use of this body and is instead too embroiled in the physical rather than the spiritual. Under the guidance of Sadguru, the seeker experiences extreme dispassion and detachment from the physical. In such a state, the seeker experiences the divine. Once the attachment with the physical body goes down, the seeker also rids himself of arrogance and attains the zenith of bliss. भूत बसेरा घर करे, मालिक नाही जान, सद्गुरु संगत जो करे, मैं से मुक्ति जान. Dear Appa, till the time the I lives on in man's mind, he cannot attain the divine. I is the obsession that rules the mind and body of most. However, the I doesn't realize that the real power, Paramatma, also resides within the same body. Under the guidance and grace of Sadguru, when the I disappears, only then does Paramatma become visible in this human body. योगोपासन भक्ति भी कर्म कांड करी लई, मन मूरख तब तक रहे चींटी को गुड़ देई. Dear Appa, man tries to reach the divine in many ways. He tries yoga, devotion, meditation, rituals, etc. But arrogance continues to plague the mind. Mind intellect cannot disappear till it continues to get nourishment in the form of ego arrogance, just as ants thrive till they have access to sugar. साधन कर्मन नींद में संसारी के होए, जागे की जगती मिटे पावन जीवन तोय. Dear Appa, till the moment that a seeker discovers his Sadguru, all his spiritual and worldly pursuits have been performed as in sleep. Once the world, which is material encumbrances, disappears, the seeker awakens as if from a deep slumber, and his life becomes pure and worthwhile. सकल सृष्टि में एक है, सब में सर्जनहार, सब तेरा शृंगार है, सब में तारणहार. Dear Appa, the creator, preserver, and destroyer of this entire universe is the same. When a seeker attains the realization of the divine within, then this entire universe becomes his ornament. शब्द कल्पना मरी रहे, वाणी करे विराम, मौन शिखर गुरु रमी रहे, वो ही तेरा राम. Dear Appa, once you attain realization, words and imagination fade away. The silent zenith, where even speech has no existence, is where you will find the divine consciousness or Paramatma or Sadguru. सोल कला सूरज उगा, पूर्ण प्रकाशित होय, जन्म मरण भव तिमिर से जागे अनुभव होय. Dear Appa, when a seeker under the guidance of Sadguru attains realization, he experiences enlightenment, reveling in the divine light as if from the very sun itself. Liberated from the darkness of the life and death cycle, the seeker experiences true liberation and awakening. होए सुवे भूको मरे और हुए बेहाल, सद्गुरु चरण न छोड़िए, साधक होत निहाल. Dear Appa, if ever the seeker experiences a loss of balance between his physical, mental, or financial circumstances, Sadanand advises the seeker to stay calm and not give in to fear. Circumstances might make him sleep on ground, suffer hunger, or face disappointments, but he need not fear, for difficulties don't stay forever. Never lose faith. The seeker who manages to last through the tough times is blessed, for these trials provide him with spiritual rewards. दोष न देखो जगत का, आप ही दोषी होए, गुण देखो तुम पार का, जैसी संगत तोए. Dear Appa, one should not look at the flaws of this world. One must look at one's own shortcomings. This world is tied down by karma, bondages, and till it doesn't get liberated from these bondages, it tends to make mistakes. One must learn to forgive and not punish. The spiritual seeker should pay attention only to the positive attributes of others and coexist with those attributes only.